Hey, welcome back to AT with NZ. Today I'm going to be talking about the Tobii Dynavox speech case. This turns any iPad into a powerful communication device. It takes a familiar device like an Apple iPad and turns it into a true AAC device. This is specifically designed for people with speech and language disabilities, so let me tell you a bit more about it. It is durable and fitted, which makes it withstand any drop or throw. The volume plus and minus buttons are easily accessible at the top center. It has integrated speakers, which makes any voice loud and clear to be heard in a loud environment such as a classroom. It has a built-in kickstand and a handle to make the device portable and easy to put down. It's important to note that this device is only compatible with 7th and 8th generation iPads, which do not come with the purchase of the device.
Use Bluetooth to connect the speech case to the iPad.
It can also be paired with finger guiding keyguard and wheelchair mounting plate, which can be sold separately. Check out my next video to learn about some apps that can feature in an iPad. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to be informed every time we post an instructional video like this. Thank you!